Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to create this look right here. It is using all affordable and drugstore products. This is a great look for the holidays, so if you want to know how to create it, just keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, please turn on the bell notifications so you can be notified every single time that I upload. Now let's get started with the video. Today I'm going to start off with my eyes, and I am using the Madison Beer and Morphe eyeshadow palette. So this is what it looks like right here. I hope you guys can see it. It is very neutral. As you can see, it has some shimmer shades and matte shades. So I will go ahead and play around with a few shades today. And this is going to be a holiday look, very affordable. So you can find this on Morphe.com, and it does retail for $22, I believe. But I will go ahead and link everything down below in the description box. And my eyes are primed and set already. And now I'm just going to jump in and apply the eyeshadows. First shade that I'm going to take is this brown one right here. This one. It is a very neutral brown. A little bit on the cool tone side. And I'm just going to start applying that on this area right here. And I'm going to pull it upwards. So I'm going to start here. It's going to be like a cat eye. And I am going to do shimmer as well. And I'm not going all the way in, I'm just keeping it here in the middle. For the next shade that I'm going to take is this one down here. And then I'm going to take the black shade. I'm going to use this pointy brush. This is the Sigma E30. I'm going to put that here on the bottom area below the first shade. I'm going to take this Ingold brush by Morphe, the M158, and I'm taking the black shade, which is this one here. I'm going to take the black shade all the way on the bottom part. I'm going to take the brush I used before and just blending that out. For the shimmer shades, I want to take, first I want to lay down one, which is this one here. I want to take this one first with my finger, and then I'm going to take the one next to it, this one here, afterwards with the brush. So first I'm going to use my finger here, and I'm going to apply that to the inner corner all the way to the middle part here. And now for the shimmer shade, I'm going to take this flat brush. It looks like this. And I'm going to grab the shimmer shade and spray it with a little bit of, this is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Cucumber spray. So I'm just going to spray a little bit on there. And I'm going to apply it above the other shade to give more of a shimmer look, more glittery look. The next part is going to be fun. I'm going to take the Ingold brush and take the black shade, and this is where I'm going to create the cat eye on the inner corner and on the bottom here. So I'm just going to do the other side off camera, and I'll be right back. Hey guys, so I am back. I already applied my lashes. The lashes that I used today are very affordable. These are the Gabriela lashes in the style Bombshell. This is the company, and this is the style. They are very nice. I can't wait to get more. They are on Instagram under Gabriela Lashes, so go ahead and check them out. Their lashes are $6 when they are on sale, so go ahead and check them out. And now we're gonna move on to the face. For the face, I'm gonna use the Revlon Prime Plus Mattifying and Pore Reducing Primer. So this one right here. And I'm just going to use that all over my T-zone. My skin has been more on the oily side lately, so let's go ahead and mattify. So I'm just going to apply it on the T-zone. Now I'm going to move on to foundation, and I'm going to use the Maybelline Superstay foundation, this one right here. And the shade that I'm using is 140 Light Tan. Hopefully this is my shade. I haven't used this foundation in a while, so I want to use my beauty blender today because this foundation is more on the heavier side, so I would want that to be more natural looking. And I'm going to blend that all the way to my neck, so you can see the difference. Let's move on to concealer, and you guys already know for the affordable concealer, it's the e.l.f. 16 Hour Wear Camo Concealer in the shade Light Sand. So I'm just going to apply a little here. And I let that dry a little bit, and I take my fan so I can dry it. And not too much because it will dry up on you. So don't do it for so long. And then I take the pointy side and start blending. My hair is in the way. So I'm going to blend my under eye first. To set everything, I'm using the Morphe Bake and Set setting powder in translucent. I'm just going to use that here. And you guys already know this is very affordable. It is less than $10, I believe, or it could be $10 to $12. So let me go ahead and set that under my eye. So I'm going to set under my eye right away, and the rest of my face. For bronzer, I'm using the Makeup Revolution Mega Bronzer in the shade Cool. So I'll go ahead and use that to bronze my face, bring some color back to my face, and only with a little bit, it goes a long way. You see that? I love this bronzer. This is definitely a dupe for the Benefit bronzer. It's like the same color. It's not too warm, not too cool. Now to set my face, I'm using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Cucumber 3-in-1 Primer Water. This is the one that I used for my eyes to put the shimmer. So I'm going to set that and cover my eyes. I have this new highlight that I picked up at Target. This is the Wet n Wild Hello Halo Blushlighter. This is in the shade I Met Someone, and I'm going to use the gold shade on the left side. I will go ahead and link everything down below for you guys. But look at this color here. So pretty. And that was just for my nose, and now I'm going to grab the brush and start applying it on my cheeks. And look how blinding that is. For blush, I'm using the little blush here by e.l.f. and so I'm going to use the matte shade here. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a blush brush and start applying that shade. These blushes are so nice. I just wish they were in a bigger pan, but you do have to use a smaller brush. For brows, I'm using the Morphe Micro Brow Pencil in the shade Chocolate Mousse. So I'm going to go ahead and just brush out my brow and just do this one on camera. So I'm going to start applying it here. This brow pencil is the best, and it's only like $4 or $5. at Morphe, so definitely get this brow pencil right away. It's a must-have in my collection. Instead of spending $20 for another brand, I go ahead and get 2 or 3 of these, you know, for the price of one. So I'll go ahead and apply this here. And then I just brush out the front here upwards. Like so. Now for the lower lash line, I'm just going to apply the glittery shade, this one here. So let me go ahead and put that here. Perfect for the holidays. The Morphe mascara, it is great. I love this mascara. So I'm mostly going to apply it to the bottom outer corner of the lashes. For lips, I'm using this e.l.f. lip liner from the Retro Paradise collection. And I'm just going to apply it. It's like a medium brown. So for lipstick, I'm using the e.l.f. lipstick in the shade Creme. This is what it looks like. It's like the lightest nude that I own from drugstore. And you can leave it like this, but I am going to add a little bit of lip gloss. And I'm using this Colourpop So Juicy lip gloss. It looks like this, just so my lips don't look very dry. It's very minty. Can you guys see the look? It's very, very pretty. I just want to show you guys up close. And you can achieve this look with like under like $100, I think, for a full face. Look at that. You don't need high-end products. You can definitely create this with all affordable products like I did today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this makeup look right here. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!